Hello everyone, friends. February is coming to an end, so let's take a look at what the crypto market has in store for us. What results are we ending February with in the crypto market? But February, of course, has not been the most positive month so far, to put it mildly. The fear and greed index is in the red zone. That is, we are still in extreme fear, and we continue to see a decline in the prices of major cryptocurrencies. But looking ahead, I want to say that a certain reversal seems to be forming for March. It might be a local one. I'll show you everything now. But it seems like the toughest days for the crypto market are already behind us. Well, at least for the current period of time. The capitalization of the crypto market is currently estimated at $2.3 trillion. And if we look at Bitcoin's dominance, it continues to decline. Bitcoin currently holds 58%. And I believe that this decline will continue over the next 2 to 3 months. We will likely see Bitcoin's share drop to 50% or down to 55%. In my opinion, this will give altcoins, primarily Ethereum and Solana, the opportunity to rebound and show good results. But again, for now, as much as we can make any forecast for the near future, it will remain uncertain until the head of the Federal Reserve changes. So if we look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that there was a sharp decline, a daily drop on February 5th. By the way, some interesting new information has come out regarding that big red candle. This significant sell-off on February 5th happened because a large fund, or more accurately an exchange, was speculatively selling Bitcoin, which pushed the price down. It went down to $62,000. And later we even saw a drop below 60,000 for Bitcoin. On February 24th, not so long ago, we also saw Bitcoin's price fall to 62,500 without any major sell-offs or negative external factors. So this points to some influence from large investors, major Bitcoin holders, on the price. But now the price has stabilized, moving within the range of 60,000 to 72,000. And I believe that in March we should see a slight rebound. Conservatively, I think it will be somewhere around $72,000, $80,000, somewhere in that zone. And potentially for the summer, I expect Bitcoin to return to a level above $89,000 and higher. That is, this is closer to June, when we will have a new head of the Federal Reserve, when there will be more clarity regarding his policy. And in this case, I believe that Bitcoin will return to its, well, of course not to its maximums, not to the extremely high values, but nevertheless to the levels at which it was trading at the beginning of this year, roughly to this area. So how did we start? The year 26. These are my thoughts on this topic for now, that after all, the bottom. We have found it, and from this bottom, it would be logical to bounce back to the previous levels of January or late December. As for Ethereum, its dynamics are the same as Bitcoin's. Ethereum almost completely mirrors this picture. But, as I said, if we see a decrease in Bitcoin dominance in the first half of this year, it will mean a good opportunity for a rebound for Ethereum and Solana. Overall, if you are an investor, if you are looking at your cryptocurrency investments in the long term, well, any fluctuations you see now of 5 to 10% in either direction, if you are investing for the long term, really shouldn't make much difference to your portfolio overall. Because, as I often like to repeat, personally, in my view, Ethereum at a price below $2,200 is already an excellent price to buy it. That's just for me, for my own strategy. If you are currently building a portfolio and wondering whether to buy cryptocurrency or not, just take a look at, let's say, if we take Ethereum, look at the bigger picture. Pull the price chart back, say, over the last 3 years, let's say from 2023, and pay attention to where we are right now. Right now, we're at the level of May 25th, maybe March 25th, or even somewhere around November 23rd. So the growth potential from the current levels Even if we don't reach the absolute highs, but say up to $3,000, that's a 50% increase. And if we see Ethereum at $4,000 again, which actually is not the maximum value, but just a repeat of the levels we have already seen in October 25, that would already be a 100% increase. So make these kinds of conclusions for yourself. And based on these conclusions, make your decision about when, where, and which coins to enter or not to enter. If we take a look at Solana, so these are the levels I drew last time. Well, in fact, here we are back at 87. We're still stuck here. This level of $78, we didn't go lower. 78.87 for Solana. So overall, below $100 for Solana for the long term. In my personal subjective opinion, it's a good price to add it to your portfolio. At least that's the strategy I personally stick to. Solana currently has good growth prospects because essentially we've already found the bottom. We're basically at the January 2024 level now. So pay attention. Even if from these levels, let's say the price returns to the values of January 2026. Well, for example, January 2026 would already be a 50% increase in price. If Solana goes up, if we see a strong bull market in cryptocurrency this year, and I do not expect that before the second half of this year, then overall we could potentially see more than a 100% gain on Solana. So please make sure to pay very close attention to this specific detail as well. I truly believe that right now represents an absolutely excellent level for you to at least consider looking at this project as a potential long-term addition for your investment portfolio. This is by no means investment advice. That's it, friends. So overall, I have positive expectations. For March, I think there should still be some kind of technical rebound because obviously we're not going any lower, neither with Solana nor with Bitcoin. In other words, we've already found some kind of bottom. And from here, it's only a rebound. But how strong will it be? And could we go down again? But only time will tell overall. For now, I don't expect Bitcoin to fall below 60,000. There might be some kind of drop overall. Cryptocurrency is a very volatile instrument, but I also expect a rebound. And I remind you, I've already shown this some time ago. If you just look at the hourly chart, if you look at the global Bitcoin chart, we are still in this overall upward trend for Bitcoin. So again, if we look at what's happening with Bitcoin overall, nothing catastrophic is happening to it. Yes, we almost touched this lower boundary, but Bitcoin is still within the upward channel. Starting from 2019, if we look at the bigger picture, so to say that some kind of catastrophe is happening in the cryptocurrency market right now, personally, I don't see any catastrophe. Now, if Bitcoin drops below $55,000, for example, and goes down there, then we should start talking about some serious structural changes in cryptocurrency, about something significant, the shifting of large capitals, and that something truly serious is happening. But for now, there's nothing indicating that. I hope I've reassured you a little. That's it. I'm saying this for those who are currently panicking a lot about everything falling and some kind of major sell-off happening. No, friends, this is just a correction. Before a new rise, growth is impossible without first correcting the price, cooling down the market, and shaking out the weak hands. That's exactly what we're seeing right now. That's what's happening. Well, that's all from me. This short review wraps up February. In my opinion, it's pretty good. We're finishing off quite well. February, there are certain expectations for March, for the middle of March. Let's see if they come true. I would like to wish you a truly wonderful and relaxing weekend ahead. And I also want to wish you the very best of luck with all of your future investments.